single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Welcome to Me's Party Show. What do you mean? Okay, so wait, my face. La 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 la. I have this nice car. Wow. Wait, I think I almost forgot something. Where did my cars go? Where did toy nest? I found my first one. Wow. Whoa, I just found my first one. Let's go. I wonder where the rest are. I wonder. No. Oh no. I got an idea. Wow, we found 1, 2, 3 cars. And this car is number 1, and it's yellow like Bumblebee and black. And it has this little emoji guy. I wonder where one more is. Only one more to find. Nope. Except for glasses. Where the other is, but nothing here. But this is a pretty good family. There's a whole family. See? Okay, but back to finding cars. Okay, so. It looks like a fly eye. Oh, look, this thing can actually spin. It's like a little helicopter that can pick up, it's like a little fly helicopter that can, I wonder if these light up. It doesn't seem like anything lights up. But, oh, look at that gold. That's silver on the bottom. Okay, look at this. It's so short. Now we're gonna do this one. This green one. This little green one. And you can see all the racers right here. They look like Bumblebee and the other characters, but I don't really know their names good. But here's our little green car. Woo! They're all so shiny. Now let's play with them. It's hard to do this at the same time. This one won. But the other ones are in lead. Okay, here is some little cars, and guess what I brought in? And not only the brother, little sister, not only a little sister, but a big sister from the little sister. But the brother is really the big brother. And not only that, dun 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 dun, the mom. Wow. This is only from the OMG. This is from the OMG dolls, but it came with the whole family now. Look on YouTube. Look on Target if they still have them, and you'll see this whole family. And I also got a pet that's in the container that came with it. Back to the fun. Whoa! Cars! Awesome size. Okay, I want to ride on one. I'm gonna pick this red helicopter. Wow, I was gonna pick that. Oh, then wait. Let me put my. I'm just gonna have to do it like this. Every time I move, you have to get a different angle. So that one is your car, and I'm gonna. Well, how do I make myself stand up? I'm gonna pick this old school car. I love old school. You don't even watch old school. And you're not even a grown-up yet. So, you shouldn't be talking about old school, because there's just a... How did you say old school? I don't know. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna pick my car. I really want that airplane, though. But... have this little purple. I don't really know how to ride a car, so whoa. You better have just another relaxing day on the car. Hey, it's not even a day yet, huh?